Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the password strength checker using the JavaScript and the HTML. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have made the passwords strength checker. So here we have the input and the on key up. So it's whenever we do the key press, so on key up, so we are going to check the password strength. Okay, so strong password must have the 8 plus characters with lowercase, uppercase, number, special character, right? And the medium, if it is medium, that means 6 plus characters, at least two conditions match. Medium regex. Okay, so this is the you can say about the, if the password is medium, that means you have the 6 plus characters, at least two conditions to be matched. Okay, if you enter the strong password, how it gonna be like, you are adding the 8 plus characters with lowercase, uppercase, number, special, etc. Okay, let's try to add some of the passwords and let's see. Weak password, because I'm just putting SSSS, so it's a weak password. So if I include caps, okay, it's medium, right? If I put add hash, you can see that it reflect as a strong password. If I put three more dots, it's a strong passwords. Okay, so whenever you are making a password strength checker, so you can validate this one, that you can include the special characters, caps letters, special characters, numbers, alphanumeric, right? So this will help you to keep your password strong and secure. Okay, so this is the regex for that one, for showing the strong password, and for the medium regex. Okay, so most of the general websites were saying that they are showing that the medium password, weak password, strong password, that is based on this logic. Okay, so you can also make that logic in your JavaScript or any of your app that you are working in. So very simple, you have to just get the password length value and you have to compare with the regex. Okay, if the strong regex password, that is a strong password. If you're comparing with the medium, that is the medium. If there is something else, that been weak password. Okay, so this is how you can check the strength of the password with this small tutorial. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.